Hello friends, in this video I'll show you house plan of 40 feet by 60 feet side, ground floor commercial complex. This is ground floor plan. This is the first floor plan. First floor have two portions of 2 BHK house. This is the terrace floor plan. Terrace floor consists of 3 BHK house. Please subscribe to my channel and support me and hit like button. Welcome to house plan. Please subscribe to channel. In this video I'll show you house plan of side dimension 40 feet by 60 feet. Floor plan. Ground floor is commercial area. First floor consists two house of 2 BHK. Second floor have 3 BHK house. Facing of site is east. Number of floor is G+2. Entrance is main door entrance is provided towards east facing. Let's see in-depth ground floor details. This is ground floor plan. Length of site is 60 feet. Width of site is 30 feet. This is the east direction. This is the west direction. This is the north direction. This is the south direction. Towards east 3 feet offset is provided. Towards west 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards south also 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards north 2 feet offset is provided. Offset means gap between outer walls and compound outer wall. This is the commercial area. Length is 53 feet 6 inch. Width is 24 feet 3 inch. This is the parking area. You can park here up to 3 cars. Length of parking area is 41 feet 10 inch. And width is 12 feet 3 inch. Here I have a staircase which connects the first floor. Width of staircase is 7 feet. Width of first flight is 3 feet 4.5 inch. Width of second flight also 3 feet 4.5 inch. In between two flight 3 inch gap is provided for the smooth finishing of railings, staircase railings. Let's move into first floor. Through staircase from ground floor we enter into first floor. Where our landing width of 3 feet 2 inch. This width is 3 feet 2 inch. In first floor have a two portion. This is the first portion and this is second portion. Here have a balcony width of 3 feet 6 inch. This first portion house out and second portion house main door entrance is provided towards north facing. This is the living area of size 11 feet 4 inch by 17 feet 10 inch. In northeast corner have living area. In southeast corner have a kitchen. This is kitchen. Half size 8 feet 4 inch by 10 feet. At the towards north side have a puja room. Half size 4 feet by 4 feet 6 inch. In southwest corner have a master bedroom. Half size 16 feet 2 inch by 12 feet. In master bedroom have a attached toilet. Half size 5 feet by 7 feet 3 inch. Here have a dressing area. Half size 5 feet by 5 feet. This is the second bedroom. Half size 16 feet by 10 feet. Here have one common toilet. Half size 4 feet by 8 feet. Here completes first portion details. Let's see second portion details. This is veranda. Half size 5 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 1 inch. This is the living cum dining area. Half size 13 feet 8 inch by 19 feet 4 inch. Rava puja room. Half size 4 feet by 5 feet. In southeast corner have a kitchen. Half size 8 feet 4 inch by 8 feet 6 inch. This is fridge area. Half width 3 feet 2 inch. In southwest corner have a master bedroom. Half size 11 feet by 13 feet. Have a attached toilet. Half size 5 feet by 7 feet 6 inch. In this is the second bedroom. Half size 13 feet by 10 feet 10 inch. Here have a common toilet in between two bedroom. Half size 4 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. Here completes the second portion details. Let's move into second floor. Through staircase we enter into second floor. This is the landing area. Half size, half width 5 feet. Here I have a balcony. Half width 4 feet. Towards here I have a passage. Half width 4 feet. Towards east have a open terrace. This is open terrace area. In second floor also main door entrance is provided towards north direction. This is foyer. Half size 7 feet by 6 feet 6 inch. This is the living area of size 14 feet 3 inch by 21 feet 2 inch. Inside this planner have a kitchen of size 9 feet by 11 feet. This is the dining area of size 8 feet 6 inch. This is the bedroom, our entrance to living area of size 12 feet by 11 feet. This is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of size 12 feet 6 inch by 11 feet. Room have attached toilet of size 5 feet by 7 feet 8 inch. This is the third bedroom of size 10 feet 10 inch by 12 feet 6 inch. This bedroom also have attached toilet of size 4 feet 6 inch by 8 feet 9 inch. Here have one common toilet of size 4 feet 9 inch by 8 feet 2 inch. Here have one wash basin. Here completes the details of second floor. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. See you in the next video.